Okay, let's move on to question 11. Name component X and Y. So, well, X is a bit too dark, but okay, to be fair, if you can kind of see, it's kind of like two, um, it's kind of like two tube, if that makes sense. And in fact, each of the tube is made up of microtubule, like this. Okay, 很多个小小个的棍组成的。So yeah, that is our central. That is our central. And moving on, Y, as you can see over here, Y is just a small sac with something inside. 一个圆圆的，里面有点点点。So what is that? That is our lysosome. Nothing better to answer, yeah? That is our lysosome. Okay, what about component Z? What is component Z? As you can see, component Z, it is here, looking like a Wi-Fi symbol, and it also has some sort of, secretion, some sort of circles around it. Okay, so what is that? That is Golgi apparatus. So which of the following in question B suits, well, our Golgi apparatus, right? So first of all, complex arrangement of microtubule, that is literally central. Small spherical sac, okay, 一个球 enclosed in a single membrane, that is lysosome. So the answer is C, the third one. It consists of a stack of parallel flattened sac, right? You see, it is flattened. That's why you see it is very elongated. 它是扁扁长长的. You also see that 它是像一个 Wi-Fi 这样. It looks like a Wi-Fi symbol because it's parallel. It is parallel. And yes, there's a lot of them. There's a stack of them. 一贴 Wi-Fi symbol. Okay, cool. Last question. Name structure R. This is so simple. Whatever that is ugly inside, 皱皱的 if you see a thing like this, that is mitochondrion. And what is the adaptation of mitochondrion? If you remember, there's only one answer, which is folded inner membrane. It has a folded inner membrane. Why does it have a folded inner membrane? Again, whenever something is folded, just remember in biology, whenever something is folded, it is always to increase total surface area. Now, on top of that, you can also say that after you increase the total surface area, how does it impact? It, of course, will improve the function, right? And again, essentially, what is a function? What is a function? The function is basically production of energy. It is to do more cellular respiration to produce more energy. So that point can actually become an answer. Increase rate of cellular respiration, right? Because indeed, if you, of course, whatever adaptation that you have is indeed to improve the function. And again, you can just put whatever function down here, and then you just have to say increase, improve, whatever lah. Okay, things like that. Just basically put the function with a word increase. Produce more energy. For example, you know the function is supposed to be produce energy. So in this case, if you have a better structure, if you have an adaptation, it is supposed to produce more energy. Okay, that's it. That's it for question 11. Thank you.